What does a monkey say? What does an elephant say? What does a duck say? What does a lion say? What does a puppy say? Yeah, puppy over there. What does a pony say? What does a sheep say? What does a cow say?
Mama.
Cow does not say mama.
There.